Display size. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 6.7 inches. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 6.7 inches. Display resolution. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 1344 into 2992 pixels, with 489 ppi density. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 1290 into 2796 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Display type. Google Pixel 8 Pro is LTPO OLED. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED. Display protector. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Ceramic Shield Glass. Operating system. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Android 14. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is iOS 17, upgradable to iOS 17.5.1. Chipset. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Google Tensor G3. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple A17 Pro. Processor. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Nonacore processor. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Hexacore processor. GPU. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Immortalis G715S MC10. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple GPU. RAM. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 12 GB. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 8 GB. ROM. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. Front camera. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 10.5 MP ultra-wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 12 MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 50 MP wide, 48 MP telephoto, and 48 MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 48 MP wide, 12 MP periscope telephoto, and 12 MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Google Pixel 8 Pro is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 5050 mAh battery, with 30 watt fast charging. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 4441 mAh battery, with 15 watt fast charging. Spec winner.